Hey guys, Terry at knifestones.com. I'm going to do a quick demonstration on the serpent stone that I cut yesterday. I said I was going to show you guys a demonstration of it being used. I'm outside in the sun so I can give you guys a better look at the stone itself. Here, let me get a little close for you. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? Really nice stone. You can see little grooves in there that I put in there to help with the sharpening. Alright, spray some water on it. And this knife here is it's a Pendleton Lite knife, cold steel. I'm working upside down here, so excuse me if stuff gets out of the frame. Alright, here we go. Let's start sharpening. Let me get a little wider shot for you. Here we go. Sweeping motion, about 15 degrees. That's the angle you're going to hold your knife. Like this is flat, and you want to like lift it up about 15 degrees, and sweep down as you sharpen. And you're going to be blown away by how sharp your knives get. It's just incredible. I mean, I'm fascinated with just how sharp my stones get all of my knives. It's just unbelievable. And it's not just any old stone that I go and get. They're very, very specific stones. It takes me a while to hunt them down. Let me get some more water. Yeah, when I go out in the field looking for them, they're not just sitting right there. Yeah, I've got to hunt. I've really got to spend time looking for a particular stone. And these stones are just, they look like rocks. You know, I have to be able to identify which ones they are, just from the outside. And most of the time, the outside they're dark and crusty or dirty, and it's a tough time out there. It's not easy finding the stones that I want to cut. Let me get into a better position here. Alright, sitting out here on my back patio barefooted. Got flies flying around, a couple mosquitoes. It's the first day of autumn. Alright, stupid flies. Let's keep going. Let me try to get a wider shot for you. It's kind of difficult with this camera. It's upside down. It's not orthodox for me because I'm looking at the viewfinder, the screen, LCD screen, and I'm doing things backwards, so it's kind of a little weird, but it's working out. All right. You really don't have to sharpen too long. If your blade's already pretty sharp or kind of sharp, and you know you get rolling here, you don't have to sit more than a few minutes sharpening. All right. As you can see, the blade is definitely going up against the stone, and whatever condition the blade was in prior to touching the stone, the end result is going to be because of the stone. So if it was really sharp or really dull or whatever, once it hits the stone will dictate how sharp it's going to end up being. So we can attribute any sharpness to the stone itself. A little bit more. Alright, let me grab a napkin here. I'm gonna wipe the stone off here and see what kind of metal it's been picking up. There you go. That's quite a bit of metal coming off the knife. And as far as the knife itself, I really like this knife. I use it for fishing, for backpacking, for whittling, just all kinds of things. I like the construction of it. It reminds me of the Mora knife, but it's I don't know. These are pretty much my favorite type of knives. The ones that have like a hard, durable handle. Like the Mora has a rubber handle. This has a hard plastic handle. I just think these will last a long time out there doing all kinds of chores. Alright, let's take a look. Got my trusty paper. Alright, let me position it so we can see, and let's go for it. That looked pretty good. That looks pretty good. Now, that blade is right off the stone itself. There's no fine honing. Yeah, more water. No fine honing to it. No nothing. It's straight from the blade, or the stone. The blade to the stone, and right to the paper. So, however sharp it is, it's all because of the stone itself conditioning the edge of the knife. And I will even do a shaving test in just a bit here, when I think it's sharp enough. So you want to, okay, let me look at this screen to make sure I'm in the screen. You want to sweep downward, 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 like so, at 15 degrees. Okay. Wipe the blade. Let's try a shaving test. Why not? Let me get some water on my wrist. I'm going to do it from my left hand, shaving my right hand, and I am right-handed, so this is going to be kind of weird. Let me get positioned here. Alright, there we go. Hope I don't cut myself. Well, there you go. There's a bald spot there now. Yeah. And here are the bits of hair. And some on the blade too. Definitely takes hair off. Yeah, now I got a nice little bald patch right there. I'll do my my right side. It's a more orthodox feeling for me. Okay, here we go. Wow. That is quite a bit of hair that it took off. That's quite a bit of hair. Yeah. All from the stone straight to my, wow, straight to my hand here. No extra honing, and it is definitely shaving hairs. It's incredible stone. Really nice stone here. Alright, serpent stone, and that was a demonstration. This one happens to be KS00047. If you like it, go to knifestones.com and pick it up. I've got other stones there too, and they all do the same thing. You will shave straight from the stone. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.